Hey everyone, so I decided to make a tag to put into this pocket. One thing I want to mention to all of you, now if you haven't watched the video where I made this pocket, it should be the last video that I published. I did add another piece of ephemera right there, and I did add a couple pieces of washi tape on the bottom. And of course I trimmed off the lace, and we are in good shape. It's all dry, ready to go. Okay, so what I do is I have this paper that I bought at Michael's. It wasn't a lot of money. I don't know, it's like $7. I think I got it on sale, 20% off, something like that. But it's 65 pounds or 176 GM2. Is that different than GSM? I don't know. But anyways, what I do is I take one piece of paper and I cut it in half, and then I make tags out of them. So, you know, they're not super thick, but by the time I get done with them, I'm in good shape. So what I've decided to do is, not in this video, but I am going to be making another one of these for my junk journal out of this paper. It came out of the same collection as this, which is DIY Shop by Crate Paper from 2012. So because I know I'm going to make another one of those pockets, the first thing I want to do with this paper is just cut off that 6 inches, and then I'm going to work on the tag. And so this bottom piece is what I'm going to use to make this pocket. And this stuff, what's left over here, I'm going to use for the tags. So, you know, because I have, let me see if 3 fit across. You know, you can always make extra tags, right? Oh, yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do is turn this over. And we're just going to go ahead and glue these tags on. All right, now, and I have a question for all of you. So these are Scotch scissors, and I don't know, they're not expensive ones, and they're not the best. If you know of a really good pair of regular, you know, long size scissors, can you please comment below what scissors you have that you like that are big? Because I need to get something better. Like, this cuts paper fine, but if I'm gonna try to cut fabric with these, I won't even do it anymore because it just doesn't work. Okay, so there's one. Cute, and we will go ahead and punch holes in them. So now, let's say, I like this one. I like this one too. I think I'll go with this one. So this one is going to be used in here. It's a nice size for it, right? Let's go ahead and punch a hole. I will end up putting, you know, some twine or something through here. But what I thought to make it look like this matched is I just wanted to do something easy. I don't want to take up this space because, well, you know, I don't know what's going to go there. Maybe a photo is going to go there, or maybe I'll end up journaling there. I have no idea. So what I thought I would do is this little washi down here. It's actually two different washies. One of them has gold. You can see it shimmery. I thought I would do the same thing on here. And to me, that kind of brings them together, kind of matchy-matchy. But if for some reason I didn't use this tag in this pocket, that's fine too. There's not going to hurt putting a little bit of washi. A little washi goes a long way. All right, I just want to get the end off of here because I kind of messed it up a little bit. And let's just kind of, oops, do this. And then I take this, which is skinnier, and I put it on top like that, but not as long, like that. Okay, so you can just end up, you know, turning it, folding it over, or cut it off. I'm just going to cut that off, and that's done. So that is done. So now, like I said, I will come back and put something in here. Maybe I'll just even put some string, right? Let's see. Let's see. Why not? It's kind of long, but I can cut it down. There we go. Oh, I like that. I like that. So there we have it. I now have my tag for my pocket. And I think it looks super cute. Doesn't it look cute? I like it. Came out good. All right, so that's it for this video. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.